that sound's a different sound. That's because it's minor chords. Minor chords give that kind of a solemn sound. That's what we're learning today. Minor chords. So this lesson is about how to make minor chords and then how to find other chords other than the C, the F, and the G. That's what we've learned. It's all related and it's kind of the next step. So minor chords and then how to look at the keyboard and find other chords. Minor chords. Sounds kind of complicated, not complicated. Here's our regular C chord. Should know that for sure. To make a minor chord, you take the one in the middle and you take it down a half a step. So there's my C. Now I'm going to take the one in the middle, I'm going to drop it just a half a step, put it up on this black one. And hear the difference? Just a huge difference, that one tiny little change. So we've got, that's the C, that's the C minor. Now the same with the C seventh, we did this one. You do the C seventh, and same thing, you drop this one here in the middle and you put it there. And it makes a very different sound. Now let's say you're doing the inversion. Remember we showed here's the C, and if we went to the inversion, which was the second inversion, and we play it, there's our normal C. Again, we take that one that was the second one over from the first inversion and we drop it down a half. Different sound, very easy to do. As I said, a little bit of theory. Going to show how to find a different chord. So we're going to do the C, and then in order to say go to an A, we know that this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then A again. So if we play a C, we're going to want to find an A chord. We'll go B, B flat, A, and then when we were in the C, so that one went down 1, 2, 3. So this one will go 1, 2, 3, and this one will go 1, 2, 3. And there's your A chord. It's a little tricky, and it's a little tricky, no doubt about it. So there's your C. Now if we want to move that to a D, then we would go, here's the D, so this one would go up 1, this one would go up to there, this one would go up to there. So it goes from here, it goes up one whole step, or one, this one goes, and this one goes, and that's a D. A little tricky, but you gotta learn it because there are other chords and you gotta figure them out. And the main reason I went through that theory is so we could find an A minor chord. It's used in all kinds of 50s songs. So if you want to play 50 songs, you got that one in there. So here's our C, that's our C minor. So we take this one, 1, 2, 3. We take this one, 1, 2, 3. We take this one, 1, 2, 3. A minor. So you just find your chord and walk all your fingers down the same number of keys. To make sense? I know this is the trickiest part I've got to. Anyway, A minor, it'll come in handy a little later on. played some kind of somber chords to show the minor, but they don't have to be that way. They can be lively. It's just different sound. Just a different sound. So hopefully you can learn it. And it'll be more fun, because the more you can play, the more fun it is.